Welcome back, viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Regidrago from the Pokemon Crown Tundra expansion pass. Here's the information on him. Regidrago is codenamed the Dragon Orb Pokemon. He's a dragon type. Its body is composed of crystallized dragon energy. Regidrago is said to have the powers of every dragon type Pokemon. He's known as one of the three Regi Pokemon, but I don't know why that Regidrago and his counterpart Regileaky or Regilakai, I'll get to that later, was never mentioned in the Hoenn region. Anyways, Regidrago is basically was once the head of a ancient dragon Pokemon, but that's only a rumor. But okay, anyways, let's get started on drawing this guy, shall we? Okay, here's his round body. Then we just draw his dragon half. We just draw his upper half here. There we go. There's his jaw here. Here's his teeth. Be sure to draw like 4. There we go. There we go. There we go. Be sure to draw his round body. Be sure to draw his body. It's completely round. Okay, there's his body here. Now we just draw the legs here. Now we just draw the legs. I wonder if the pieces should be... There's the lower half of Regidrago's arm. Lower halves of the jaws. Here's Regidrago's foot. No, well, the last time I drew this video, the picture was a little bit too big. But now that I got to start over, now that I'm starting over, I'm finally getting a chance to redraw this. The same thing goes for his other counterpart. There we go. There we go. There we go. And lastly, we just draw the teeth. And done. That's how you draw Regidrago. Now, I know the first time when I saw Regidrago, at first I thought he was a dark type. I could tell because of the black and white colors. And for some reason, fans thought of them as Regi Light and Regi Dark. But it is revealed that they were now revealed as Regidrago and Regileaky. I wonder if that's his real name. I'll find out in one of the next videos. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll let you guys be interested in what kind of awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Or what event I'm going to. See you soon!